rant. Reading Katie's lipstick message, I had a headache. What did she say?
I'll continue to ruin you in your dreams.
Really?
Should I continue to believe in your dreams?
I said at the same time.
Di ako nanonood, di nakapunta sa TV. Di ba dati nag-ano dito? Oo. May nagdadamutan kami ng
Yes, these are
tulog na.
No, it's not that we're picking international queens. Like, for me, my reason was she tried to pick my lipstick. And it kind of evens out the game because all the time Bernie was safe, and then the bottom, and then Kitty has one low. And so that's how I saw the track record thing.
I think they're lying. Kitty's craze more fashion. Because she's from Paris and she sells everything that we never see in the show. But I understand. I don't think that the other queens, Simon, are seeing the fact that Kitty's face, Ivory, something as well as Madame Yoko aren't doing as well as the other queens. I don't think that the Panay queens are getting up on us. I just think
Nasa ka na, Jello?
I realize that most of the international queens aren't ready.
Exactly.
But
Sama na si
personally,
Snayer.
I thought kids should be safe. And so should we. I'm sorry, sister, but it's just a personal thing for me because I know you personally. You're very good. You're very that bitch. And as of this season, I am not looking at the same Bernie I was inspired by.
Nakita mo ba charger ni Aya?
Babe, tapos na. Nagbura na ng sulat. Uuwi na lang tayo. Pwede mo pahinga muna.
Tara mo naman kami Winnie ng ano? Extension. Meron ba dyan? Meron naman. Manood daw kayo dyan ng viewing party, hindi yung live ko yung pinanonood nyo. Dito mo saksak para meron kami ni Arcelix. Hi EJ Hosik, yes. Ano naman daw dyan, hindi mo na lang. Para lahat ng nakasakot dito. Kasi ang lamig. Atake. Dito na ako.
It's a brand new week. Brand new week, like Brandy, Brand Arizona. Just look at oh my God, I manifested it. That book like that, girl. I don't have the raw badge anymore. I have the Rue badge.
But how do you feel about last elimination?
For me, yeah, if somebody doesn't want me here, they better leave first, because if I'm gonna be there again, they might vote for me again.
She's in survival mode, right? Yeah, but I think it's right also. We talk about the track record and being fair, but obviously we come back and then we see like, how the person actually plays, and also like if the person wants to be there. There's like isolated cases, and we need to see if the person actually wants to fight.
Same, I agree. Some of them I felt like they were just here for the ride.
Nakikinig lang kami, wala kami.
Well, I just wanted to ask 3 episodes. I'm like, girl, don't you want to be in the finale?
Yeah.
I'm one of 3 international queens left. You want Silky Saya. Please win the next thing. Please.
What are we gonna do? Is it gonna be track record or like a virtual connection?
I think that I'm the type of Asian that loves to do Excels, and that I do.
So, coming on.
But I think it's good to have a scoring system
Oh,
and to know like where we place.
Kung ka-comment na ako sa sinabi mo sa akin last time na dapat si Kitty ang i-rate ako si Kitty. But kung titignan mo track record, we're same.
no, they're not the same because Kitty has been at the top.
Yeah.
And Bernie has
It's very similar.
Yeah,
So then it boils down to what you want to do with it.
Yeah. I also think it comes down to if they want to be here or not. And I feel like you want to be here and more. Before like,
But why did you say that Bernie should do a meeting if that's what you would say? They did not lose me. So
It's against the track record because everyone's telling everyone that it has to be track record, it has to be this.
Fight sila.
You also said my name that I wasn't deserving to be on top 4, so sino na kita mo sa top 4?
Fighting
Yes,
sila.
you, me, and Abby. And that's why kaya sabi ko sa
At the end of the day, wala namang judges dito, di ba?
That's why.
You're not judging you.
Pero thank you. Nagising ako.
My hard-working queen, get ready for a box that rocks. Please handle with care, because what's inside has gone around the world and back, just for you.
Hi guys, mag-comment naman kayo.
Queens, the competition has been tightening like a tangled web, but only the fiercest will scatter the way to victory. Well, luckily for our mini challenge, we will do just that.
Oh my God!
Dapat meron to, no, para makapanood.
And it will be called Gagambading.
Pa-offer natin na slot tayo ng private Benjamin.
Queens, you have 15 minutes to get to your fiercest Gagambading trick.
Yung alam mo yung kahit may visual doon, nandito yung visual.
Okay, Queens, in the Philippines, we usually do this on a stick, but this is track race, baby, so it's a stir.
Pakisay naman, parang bumalik.
Si Janice, ano pinerform ni Arizona?
Here's the deal, I'll usually be able to choose your opponent for a one-on-one duel. Whatever way of
Ano daw piyesa mo bukas?
time you release your inner
Secret, basta galing pa rin ng man's best friend.
platform. Are you ready? You can now choose your opponent. Come on, don't get it.
Eto oh. Ay, hindi ka ba nag-viewing? Kala ko nandun
The
ka.
last three standing wins. Are you ready to fight for your spot?
It's giving patigasan ng mukha kasi pag hindi ba natatakot kasi gawa yung mga ilaw nila. So, kung ano yung
Ayun yung gagawin ko. Narinig nyo ba? Walang ayuda.
Next, Gagambadings, Arizona and Diana, in for the foreign body, okay?
Kapag wala akong show next week, manonood ako. Nandun si Marina eh. Marina na yan oh.
she's gonna win. But you know, she's very gigil nagigil siya sa akin.
That's Gagambadings, we have Suki and Tia.
Eh, walang internet.
My strategy is to push her at her weakest moments.
Well, you are lasting better than me. That's it. Breathing and you are. Come on, Gagambadings. Go!
Walang signal ba? Okay na ba? Okay na ba?
Oh my God, you strong ass bitch.
For the semifinals, Phineas and Kiana.
Hi, I hope you're fine.
Breathing and Suki semifinals, go!
Walang signal sa pwesto na to, ewan ko ba?
I just want a doing. Obviously, she's so tiny. One push is all it took.
Lolo, ano pinerform ni Ari?
Gagamba ni Suki at gagamba ni Kiana.
It's always that ending. International Queen versus
Hi, Lovey. Hi. Puro.
There's a true gagamba ni amongst us. The winner of today's mini challenge is Kiana.
Ang ina, nakakailang mini challenge siya si Kiana. Tatlo? 60 pa lang ba? 60,000. Ang ina, mini challenge sila. Isang challenge lang.
There's something Kiana's good at. It's winning the mini challenges.
Well, playing childhood games like that really brings the most of us home. That sense of
Pinapahid ko talaga.
familiarity and
Pinapahid ko.
comfort.
Shit, mga nag-drag break.
Feels so good. Feel as they were tirelessly and unfamiliar land.
Hakot, di ba? Hakot sa mini
Can
challenge.
you hear that? Yeah.
Nakailan ba siya? Di ba tatlo? Out of
They
time.
just arrived.
Episode 1.
We're bringing them home. The Philippines' biggest expert and the backbone of the global workforce. Some of them are here
Diba?
today. Let's welcome our buddy.
100k nga agad sa episode 1.
First up, a resilient mom with a heart of gold, Miss Ernie Kawini. Hey! Next, single mom and blogger, let's all welcome Miss Christine Santa. Digital marketer, Miss Angelique Parungaw. Hey! And lastly, a teacher who has a training center for OFWs. Let's all welcome Miss Beverly Davis. Yay! Please say hello to our overseas Filipino workers.
Alam nyo, ang lamig na. Kailangan natin to.
OFWs.
OFWs are really important because they are heroes to us. They leave their families here to take care of other families on the other countries, just so they can provide.
So your job, please, is to make their homecoming night a night they will never forget. And the theme is Homecoming Gala Night. Transforming them as
Ay,
part of their family.
Makeover. I'm pretty good at, doing aesthetic and styling people, so I want to see what I can pull off.
But there's a twist. You have to do it in pairs. Please go ahead and pair up. Let's have one. Oh,
And we said we're gonna be together. So obviously I do have a little crush on reading, and she's really cute, she's very talented, and she knows what she does, so
Ano reaction mo? Tapos nung nag-kiss.
3D and Suki and Vinyas and you.
Yung lip sync ganyan, nung nag-kiss.
Maybe it's time for me to get to know you more. Okay, excited.
Naglap-lap.
If you
What?
want to be challenged, Kiana, you have the power to assign our balik clients to their drag families.
So, actually, ito para kay Bernie and Arizona and Lama Bernie. Oh, nice meeting you. Kailangan ng shoes, t-shirt to Bernie.
Eh, di ba bet niya si Brigitte?
Hello po. Vinyas and you are to...
She really said this is the opportunity. I will grab it. Lap-lapan mo.
When I first saw Mother Christine, I just felt that we were connected. I didn't really strategize that much because I know that these girls are gonna do
May
the
inhaler
best.
Oh,
pala.
one more thing. Kiana, in addition to your winning advantage, you have the power to switch things up, literally. You have to choose a queen from a different pair to
Alam mo yung
switch
video ng
with
bata sa gilid ni Lola?
Yeah, one more draw.
Ay, so, dapat mo ko lola.
Yung multo, yung... Ganyan din ako.
Sobrang flat ng mukha ko. Iba
So
lang
I
mga
had the
basang
power to
ganun.
choose.
Eri lang yan.
Mukha kong puto seko.
Oh my God, tititigil ko si Kiana. Sabi ko talaga sa mga tao, pick me. I wanna take Ate B as my partner and Sian to go to Yua.
Nice to meet you.
Kiana, shit.
Kiana and Venus Liu.
I think that he's also had a connection with her.
So,
Si Brigading ang ang palalablab ni Tito. Kasi di ba yung sa Rusical,
Ay, oo nga.
ba yun?
Ngayon, Kiana, parang naghahanap ka ng fight sa labas.
Sian, how do you feel?
I feel awful.
To be passed around.
Up to. I think he's popular.
Yes. Yeah.
And you don't want to be friends with me. So sad. But me and Johan.
My lips is so crusty and sassy right
Now that you all have your own lovely partners, feel free to use the makeup provided by Anastasia Beverly Hills Cosmetics.
Hey.
Brought to us by none other than the president herself, Norvina.
Oh my God!
Hi, Lexi. Hi, Laz. Performance ni Al.
Products are here to empower you and your hardworking overseas Filipino worker partners to fully embrace your inner Slasian Royale personas. Let's make your mothers proud and spread the love. Sending you all virtual hugs and kisses. Salamat po!
Cosmetics. Ito our bike bias. Enjoy your day off today. Big experience. Enjoy that. Alright, see you later. Bye.
Bobo, ikot. Mamaya ako na manonood. Ang bagal ng internet.
Kasi isa yan sa mga napanalunan ko nung season ko.
Wala nang laman. Idol pa shoutout naman yan.
Nung season 1.
How excited?
I don't know where you feeling right now.
Ecstatic.
So, napunta sa akin si Mami Beverly, which is parang sa kanilang apat, siya yung pinaka-hayang energy. You all have been an OFW worker.
I was in Dubai for like 8 years. But before that, I'm a college professor.
I want to ask Mother, why did you go to Dubai?
I'm a single mom. And I also have my extended family. So my brothers, my sisters, hindi naman really like I'm providing everything, but she has her own support. That's the Filipino value also.
I relate so much to it because my own mother had to leave the country. We were displaced because of the war and she had to start over. So when she's talking, I can only imagine my mother talking to me. You remind me of my mother just because she was also a single mother and she had to raise all of us who were 6 kids. She was working 3 jobs, she was working sometimes 4 jobs, and every time she come home, was so tired and I don't get scared. So, yeah. Thank you for taking care.
I'm happy na nakilala ko si Suki on a deeper level through this challenge. Suki is one of the most beautiful drag queens I've seen so
Hi,
far.
it's Miss Twinkle.
Ever.
Ano?
Ito na. Kailangan natin manalo. My mom was an OFW for like 15 years. I relate to the stories of all the OFWs because most of them have to leave their families. Lagi tayo dinakapin ng buhay. Pero this time, ikaw na ngayon, may narihaan.
Oh yeah.
Gusto namin, may experience na tayo sa araw na siya may nasa taas. At ayun sweet revenge. Ang gano'n. Ang isema. Bahala sa mga excited. When she was in Japan, she said that she was alone and she had all the money back.
Ba't ka ba sasali ng drag? Ayoko pa.
Masaya kasi siya kasi nakadadali yung pera, di ba? Pero sa totoo lang yung
Mag-iipon muna. Moses. Hi, oh my God, I miss you. Ano ginawa mo? Maray ba ko
Wala lang. Ay, hindi ko manig sila sa'yo.
Mamaya na.
Naiiyak ka na ako. Namiss ko yung mga
Ano yung kay Alaga? Utang ina, bottom na naman.
Ano na siya kanina pa?
Ay, ang ganda ng buhok. Ang ganda ng buhok ni Viva. Parang matandaan.
Alam mo, no. Ginaya ko lang yung ginawa.
Ano siya pa rin? Ang sakit. Grabe. Grabe ang sakit. Sabi ko sa inyo.
Baka dapat naman ang layo nyo naman sa akin.
Sabi kasi si Mito doon, ayoko siya patay.
Tangina nyo.
Doon ka nagme-makeup kasi kayo ng mga bakla.
I want her to experience
Ay,
the
pagkatapos ka na,
experience that she never had. So, hi, Kiel.
I'm good. I'm so happy to be here. Kasama pa lang sa walk
She's from Western. I love makeover challenges because it shows your artistry on how you deal with different faces and wigs, also guiding them how to find your drag character. When did you go overseas?
2019, first in Malaysia, and then
Walang boys, wala pa sila. Kita kami mga sa bata.
Remind me, what did you do overseas?
Kaya ako.
Agaw mo
ba? Dahil kasi 5.
I've never heard of it.
Late lang ako dumating.
So wala pa din. Wala pa. So kailangan mo boys.
Hindi na, wala.
So when he gets sick or he goes to hospital, it's like it's so difficult not to worry and stuff. So I think it's more of like the guilt of being away and not being there. It's like, you know, it gets difficult because I don't want to ask them because they're too far. So I got it.
I know how you want to hear. You want to It happened to me also like when mom says something. I wish I could be fine. We have to be okay. But deep down, we still are. So it's like sometimes I try to be too strong. I try to like, it's okay, mom, it's okay, dad. But a part of me is like,
Hi, Marta.
okay. Same, like that's so much. Whenever they call me, I'm like, I'm not okay. I'm just saying like, okay, everything's fine.
Guys, bumili na kayo nito. Ang ganda nito pang blend. Nasa yellow basket. Nagbenta. Alisin nga natin yung filter. Wala naman palang filter yung ano ko. Tignan nyo yung finish.
This is going to be an amazing
Ba't ang dilaw ng mukha ko?
work their ass off, and they're going to experience joy and some drag and some glitter and some sparkles in their life. Ang gusto ko maging drag.
Yan ang mag-pan-service, man.
Excited kami kasi ito na yung time niya na ma-reward siya for all the hard work that she's been doing for the whole OFW community.
Delicious. D.
D for what?
D for dick.
Beverly is our mommy, delicious. And she's so positive, everything she's done is really absorbing, and we want to be sure that we are just representing her best aspect in this makeover.
I'm really inspired also with you guys because you're still very young and you're helping your family now. Yeah. You're also heroes in your own small, natural way. Your mother should be very proud of you.
Si Ernie,
Si Hermie is sarap talagang.
Hi, Paolo.
Diba?
si Review, ano ba?
Ang na-realize ko lang sa lahat ng kwento ni Mama Ernie sa amin, be strong.
Ernie and Bernie. Oh, di ba?
Thankful na po, ano, nakasama ko sa team.
Alaga, happy ka ba sa amin?
Of course. Yeah, kami. Oh my God, doon tayo.
I see the joy and excitement in Mama Ernie's eyes.
Paano tayo nakilala?
Nagkakilala po kami ni Bernie sa isang gay bar.
Magkasama po kasi kami sa season 2, sa Drag Race Philippines season 2. Noong pagkakilala lang kami, hindi kami masyadong
Kami magkaibigan. Hindi ko akalain na magiging close kami. Hanggang paglabas po namin, hindi ko rin po in-expect na kami yung isa sa mga magiging close.
Nagpunta pa kami ng Tagaytay niyan bago kami pumunta dito. Bago kayo, di ba nagtagaytay pa tayong dalawa?
Kapag kami
Ritual na yun,
kasi
actually.
tumanifest kami ng mga
Bago siya mag-drag race season.
mangyayari sa buhay, gano'n.
Bago ka doon dumami.
It's nice to bring the joy in drag and share it with other people.
Bakit? Sana siya. Matatapos na ba siya? Nabutang kaya ko na. Alas ka nag-start? Alas 8? Alas 8. Hi, pa!
Mabuhay! I am your queen and your host, and welcome to the main stage of Drag Race Philippines Malaysian Royale. We'll love her forever, but not today. The winner of Drag Race Philippines Season 2, captivating Kat Kat. Welcome back, Kat Kat. This is a homecoming to you too. Did you miss the stage?
Of course, I'm happy to be back again. This is the station with all my dreams come true. I'm so happy and honored to be here, Mama Pao.
Oh, that's so
Ba't
lovely.
di mamakat-kat sa episode na yan?
Next, our extra special guest judge, Drag Race Global All-Star Center, the iconic Elizabeth Edwards. Queen Nagamo, Mama Pao. Elizabeth, give a little fine bucks landed at your doorstep. What surprise inside would have you hovering like a banshee? All right now. Well, that box is stuffed with some wigs, lashes, and sister-in-law's corset. You can consider me solid silk and well, with that this, we better start a project sticker on it because that package was serving precious cargo. For this week's challenge, the queens were tasked with transforming our beloved overseas Filipino workers as part of their family in a once-in-a-lifetime event on Drag Race, their homecoming gala night. Racers, start your engine and may the best station queen win! Category is Homecoming Gala Night, starting with Venus Deluxe and Liana with Maria Ozawa. All I want for Christmas is drag.
I have a running around with Mommy, Christine, and Diana as Mariah with a K, Mariah McKee, and Mariah Ozawa.
Pero hawak ang coordination niya. Utang ilang yan. Tignan yung ginagawa niya, guys. Ayan yung ginagawa niya, guys. Pinaayos niya yung wig ko. Sineset niya. Nagmamakoy galing na siya. Masakit kasi siya niya kanina.
We are the Transmarina. We are the past, present, and future. Brigading and Sumida with Revolution's King. As the honor of our modern day heroes, the OFWs, we also want to pay homage to the Philippine national flag, gold and yellow representing freedom, red for bravery, and blue for peace, justice, and unity. What? We wanted to do a dance to celebrate the Pune flag creation, and that's the ceremonial part of it.
Guys, magtanong naman kayo. Ayoko na. Parang nanalalamig lang ato. Tangina nyo.
Arizona Brandy and Bernie with Ernie. While walking the runway, we're giving Lavinia energy. Like,
Bakit wala?
this runway we're serving the 80s contradidas. This time we have the power where we're claiming that power. You are nothing but a second grade.
Drawing card. Copycat.
Ang runway na to is para sa isang OFW. Kailangan mo maging strong, kailangan mo maging matatag at sobrang tapang pagdating sa ibang bansa.
Awawi.
Si ang pussy and
Inaabot ka ng 1 hour.
Newa pussy.
Depende sa ano. Pag hindi ako naka-live, hindi ako inaabot.
Diba? Ano yung family niyo sa ito? So, lagi yung American food talk ito.
Hello in Chinese because I would love to ask all Chinese fans
Ako na naman. Masama ugali. Guys, sana sa mamapakiramdam niya ulit.
I know. Look at me, look at the hair, look at the dress. Do you look inside?
Pag sa mamapakiramdam niya, tahimik yan.
Meanwhile, is serving it, baby. She's serving us power, she's serving us effort, and Zion and I are just fighting.
Nakailang light na naman.
And reflects the concubines in the ancient times perfectly, but with a comedic style.
Pero dapat ang bottom Zion tsaka Yuwa.
We want to take a heartfelt moment to once again honor and thank our incredible OFWs. We see you, we celebrate you, and we salute you with all our hearts. Thank you. Now it's time for the judges' critiques. For this challenge,
Sama ka
please
sa
do the
Monday.
judge-
May show talaga kasi ko ng Monday.
First up, this is Christine Santa before.
Punta ka na lang sa Friday. Mag-iinom tayo.
Mariah Ozawa. This was absolutely fantastic. This was a spectacle from beginning to end. There were so many things about this that I loved. I would buy a ticket to this Mariah Carey concert, especially because we had the
Aga ng makeup, Ana!
Nabuboard ako yung dalawa kasi ang out.
presentation. So much fun and
Yuwa at Zion ang bottom mo, yes.
Kasi having so much fun on stage. The emancipation
Kasi mas
of
namin, nung runway, di ba, mas parang clear. Ano yung ginawa nila High low midnight. High heel Rono.
And how did you feel tonight in full drag
Ay, si Mindy! Ano ko si
on the main
Mindy?
stage of Drag Race?
Oo, ang Simon!
They're amazing. Fantastic. I can
Hello
never this.
po! Good
Thank you very much.
evening, you sa
Now, this is Beverly
hosting!
Davis before.
Esther,
and this is
punta
her
ka.
now, Bevellicious D.
Sige pala
I
to.
think that from head to toe, this was a finished look.
Si Hiel
of the
naman ang
look.
cake.
I think
Diba?
the
Mas-
story
mas
is
ano
so
talaga yung
wonderfully
runway
beautiful
nila.
and
Ano
touching.
ba napanood?
And
Ito,
Bevellicious
ano ba
D,
ba?
this is the embodiment
Ito na
of
ako, palabas ka.
who I hope to be.
Na ano, uy, baka ka
I
matulala
was
ako.
blown away. Yeah,
Baka
it's so
mag-focus ako, baka
gorgeous,
mag-focus
mother.
bakit daw
And
mapag-iwan.
my sister Ricky and so also did the costumes
Sure,
and the hair. So
sure.
this is the costumes that I have prepared. And Suki Doll is accessorizing the style and the
Basa-basa
hair
kayo.
and the fixing
Diba?
the
Oh,
line
ayan, oh.
to
Parang
adjust
sa Ariana
everything
Grande
so
ngayon,
it fits the
sister.
three of us.
Ariana Grande. Parang
Parang
nakataka ng weekend before.
Tagal lumabas tagal niya labasan. Ayan na.
And obviously, this is like my coming out.
Hindi ko pala.
Very scared. I say it like a lot of Filipino.
Sige, maraming nakakabasa.
I love the presentation and the costumes. It blends well. And the overlook is so amazing. You are my top for tonight. Aww, thank you. How are you, Bevellicious D?
I feel so
Ang ilang pyesa pa ni Ari sa Bikini.
with my two daughters here.
Aww.
May anak.
Ano yun?
And,
Ano ba yan?
sorry.
Yun ang para sa akin.
I always tell them that
Saka yung sa apa ko
heroes
stuya.
don't wear capes.
Bobo kasi siya.
They wear gowns.
Sinabi ko na talaga, ay naku nung, ay naku.
Ano yung kasi nasa ano, sa Magano?
It's really good. Congratulations.
Bakala.
Thank you.
Hindi ko pa
What is
napapanood
the
na.
thing? What's the
Nakikita ko
thing?
sa ano doon, sa pag
Big, dirty.
Kinakatot ako ng ikot ko na yan. Kasi ang ganda kasi, bit by bit, parang ikot lang. Frame by frame, ilabas ng visual.
Bevellicious Doll Ding or Ding Doll.
Oh, so kita lang bigiding. Nakakagat ka ni Mother. Bevellicious D, thank you
Oo
very
nga,
much.
tingnalat ka ni ano, nung kamalit ni Brett. Ito.
Oo! Alam mo ba last time yung sa Amikit Magano.
Ano ba siya?
Oo, dun siya. Tapos, chinat niya si Brent. Right after nung taon ng hosting, sabi niya, sinay na niya yung video ko kay Brent. Tapos ang sabi niya,
Oh my God, because of that, you know,
nagpapuki na ba si Brent? Kasi maganda siya ng puko sa American. Literal ayun sinabi niya. Sabi ko, ano?
so that's it.
Ang ganda ng buko. Ang ganda ng ano.
I just want to ask, Mother,
Yung book na
Ernie,
mahaba.
how's
Yung
your
pagkakagbuka
experience
mo.
in doing this
Ano ba siya?
drag?
I love it.
Yeah.
This is
Cream
my
siya?
first time. So,
Pinaka-highlight
thank
ko.
you for this beautiful ladies,
Parang mas...
for being me
Parang video.
as a Ernie.
The way you performed on stage today is really good.
The day that you became your father.
Diba?
Performance nila, tapos bolo.
I got the
Mga story, hindi na po.
Dynasty.
Ay, tangin ang katawan niya, ang galing.
That was so memorable and electrifying.
Bench
You had
body, no?
motivation,
Bench
you know,
body.
when you walked in there and you were so proud. and
Hindi ka na corset, no?
Before I had
Like yung,
that
andito yung kadera mo, di ba? Nakataas.
my first employer,
Ay, naka corset ka.
they
Ang ganda
abused
ng
me.
kadera, may corset, no?
They said, Filipina is a dirty people because we are OFWs.
Patingin
So,
mo ng may...
my boss, I cannot touch the baby. I just look after them. After they eat, they forget that they have a helper. So I need to sacrifice.
A lot of overseas Filipino workers usually has this some kind of story. Some of us kids were left back home were taking advantage of the fact that they're here and without even thinking that their sacrifices they're doing for those of us that they love back home. So we just want to say thank you. And one day we'll be like Ernie and be like herself with a wine glass and Thank you very much, Ernie. Okay, next, this is Angelique Paloma before, and this is her now.
One time performance. One pa yata kami.
Combine both traditions and cultures, and thank you so much for sharing your cultures here, and also the presentation. You have so much fun, and also the makeup. I love it, and congratulations. Okay, so I love this one. I kind of felt like I was watching Cinderella with her two beautiful stepsisters. I thought the colors were vibrant. I loved how they were in and out of character. And truly, it was very obvious who the star was, who the homecoming empire was. It was very clear from start to finish. Bravo to all. Merging your concept. It was messy, but it was so memorable, and that's what we love about your group.
I'm so happy. I've been a fan of the show for so long,
Hey.
and to be on the stage is so electrifying.
Thank you. Once again, let's give a round of applause for our amazing OFWs. Now let us get back to business, ladies.
Natatawa ko sa isang na bar.
We have made some decisions.
They're copying the...
CMBUSI.
Ano bang bago? Di ba? Ano bang bago?
You are safe.
Nakakatawa. Parang natatawa lang ako. Parang hanggang ngayon, gano'n pa rin pala sila. I mean, gano'n naman may pagkagano'n.
Ito, sabi ko sa live, pero di lang magbabanggit ng pangalan. May mga customer. Na-meet ko sa na-meet ko dun sa Keme, tapos nagpunta nung rampa. Kaya marot nga, di naman
Congratulations! You are the winner of this week's challenge! You are the top nations of the week! Yeah!
parang nagbanggit pa siya ng ano. Binabangbang ng Kevin sa alam ko ba?
You
Baka matagal nito pinatitator.
red and blue and
feeling kasi nakita ng mga judges yung effort with you? It was great because during my season I left because my partner was more beautiful than me, as they said. Yeah. So to be at the top, it's a good feeling, and to be sharing with Suki, so beautiful. Really big, and Suki deserves to be on top. That was a good runway and good presentation. I love it.
Oh my
Being in the top for an episode where mother just celebrated means the world to me because my drag is to celebrate my mother, is a love letter to my mother, and she means the world to me, and she's the love of my life, and I never get to tell her that enough. You know, she can see this on TV and like celebrate with my sister and just say, see how much love that she
Hi,
gives to
Chris,
me.
I
She will
miss
give back to
you.
people around me, my sisters.
Same.
Finally, another top. Well, I mean, it's a very strong top, and we are great at what we did, so I'm so proud of us.
Did you expect? No. We didn't expect na mabobottom kami. Kung ako, parang sila din yung bottom ko.
Yeah, but I think also at the same time we both had such good critiques that it made the comparison harder for us to choose. So maybe it wasn't the fact that you didn't understand the concept, but just like comparatively they loved the other stories better and the storytelling. Just like whatever they decided, we still have to make a decision and to be choosing one of our sisters tonight, you know what I mean?
So, kailangan ko naman mag-twist ng isang tao. O kailangan ko naman mag-negotiate. And she's like, wow, we have to hear the girls.
Who's gonna go home, you know, because it's gonna be hard for the winner to pick. But, I don't know.
Oh my god. Two sisters from the same season, one has to go home. That must be hard. I was emotional because I remember all the hard work that we did for this, and to see her in the bottom with me, it's very emotional. For me, gusto ko lang malaman na kung hindi nyo nakikil na nandito ako para lumaban, nandito ako para
Gold play niya, walang lalabas ng
people
people
have no challenge. Ayun yung goal ko sa akin. You're very competitive. And actually,
Hello!
when you win another challenge,
Hi, Clark.
you have, and you have the opportunity
Ikaw ba,
to
drag queen ka, lalabas kang hindi buo. Grabe namang prod dyan na makalo ng peso. Kung malalabasin mo yung talent mo hindi buo. Oo nga, bakula.
If I was strategic, I would choose Arizona to win this competition because I know
Wala, hindi na masama pakiramdam niya kaya gumaganyan yan.
gusto ko lang malaman mo na kung ano yung gusto ng university.
Sige ba, ready for the live.
Yung gusto ko
Sige, bakla, ayun ka.
is
Kasi Chami, ay sorry ate. Sorry.
as yun so much.
Paano lalabas kung sarado na?
Tapon? Oo.
I really want to make myself believe that she's gonna
Sarado
save me.
naman ang talaga.
However, I know that she and Bernie have worked for a long
Kaya tayong
time.
gusto gawin, taga
I don't
mag-tayo
know if
ngayon.
she's
May
gonna
gawa.
judge right now.
Hindi ako
I want to see the world.
Hindi na ako sa anniversary.
Kaya pala naghahanap ka ng alak.
Hindi ko masyado na-expect.
Hindi mo nakuha?
Pero alam ko na
Kakasama mo
hindi
ba?
ako suki. So, if I
Mahal yung resibo.
na hindi yun hadilang.
Hindi nga ako nag-ios. Ako pa.
Na hindi yun hadilang sa akin na
Yeah. Oh, sister. I didn't say half of it, girls.
Kaya hindi ako makapagsalita sa kanya ng dire-diretsong English. Alam ko na intindihan niya ako. Alam niya na gusto ko mag-stay. Alam niya nakaramdaman niya yun.
So, for me, umami you and
At least bakit natara?
And this is the second time
Hindi, para mawala sa sa pangalak yan.
Parehas nga may mga gusto ipagpatuloy.
Wala talaga
sa show natin.
Midnight,
But
nag-perform ka, wala
I don't see any fire with Bernie. I don't know and I don't
Hindi nila
understand.
nakita. Silent kill atake, no?
Ganda nun.
Oo, baka
First win kang nag-acapella.
Acapella.
Ano, apparition lang ako doon. Tumusok lang, tapos ako lalo.
Eh, ano, hindi nyo kami kakausapin?
Nakikinig lang sila.
Ang daldal-daldal ko dito, oh, kami, oh.
Ano?
Sino sila?
At yung may-ari ng hosik ko.
Yes, I think.
Hara! Hara!
Dalawa na lang viewers na naliliit sa'yo.
Narinig ko yung boses mo.
Yung nalaman kasi nila na ikaw yung may-ari.
Kasi for the track
Kala nila si ano ka?
Dahil ako kasi siksik moto-moto. Ako ay nakapag-track record. I'm going. She's hurts to be but my sister. She's miserable. She is but I want to
Ay, nakausap ka?
I was like,
Hi, Lorit. Hi, Charles.
Kay Pao na lang siya. Gagawin ka lang ako maya. Uy, ang cute ng mga pang-costume ko sa next Wednesday. Yung understand. Baka wait lang. Magpapakita ko ng buhat. See-through na ano ng beach. Yung kita yung buhat ko. Yung parang plastic lang yung naka-green titi colors ito.
I mean, in the bottom voice now, but I've shown where my strengths are, and I know what my weaknesses are, and I'm gonna work on those weaknesses. Thank you for
Ay! Ay!
uh,
Hi na!
Masakit yung tiyan, umuwi na!
for being honest that this was
Patay nga para mawala bukas yung sakit. Ano ba tatanggalin mo?
Paano na extension?
Mag-show ka.
It's not a win-win situation.
Sa bag kong leather. Ikaw na lang mag...
And in Bernie stays, I'm not gonna be unhappy. It's the end of my journey.
Hello!
If ever Bernie stays, I'm gonna be really happy for her, and I'm gonna be really
Naka-omega siya.
Oh my gosh. Na-off guard siya. Nag-sister mo talaga siya, kapatid. Kambal?
That's a talent itself.
Maganda lang talaga.
Kambal kayo?
Kambal kayo?
Pakita nga nung ano.
Ay, kambal kayo!
Echosera, di naman daw.
Pakita nga nung ano.
Ay, wala akong puki ah.
I love these so much.
Ipit lang yun.
And
Yung ko na nga mag-ano.